Is your external component, the libgnustep-back.0.25.dll, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your desktop software links. Before we begin the manual steps for libgnustep-back.0.25, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the libgnustep-back.0.25, the GNUstep Backend Library v0.25. It provides unmanaged routines for window management and event handling, facilitating the rendering manifest for cross-platform application data links. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. libgnustep-back-0.25 is a key part of the desktop software runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of your desktop software will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered libgnustep-back.0.25 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of libgnustep-back.0.25. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing libgnustep-back.0.25 and maintaining system health. To keep libgnustep-back.0.25 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.